Good morning. Good morning. Last night I took the time to style my hair like this, and I decided that I would come in and say good morning. Good morning. And I'm going to take a little bit of my Mofajang hair wax. Let me get it. And I am just going to add it to the front of my hair. So I'm going to mist it a little bit. Put it on my fingers. And I'm going to take the time to say thank you, like I always do, and let you know that I really appreciate all that you do. I'm glad I went ahead and did my hair like this because I wanted to come and say thank you. And I'm glad I took the time to go ahead and style my hair last night. And all I have to do is take off my Lock So Fine head cap and my scarf from around my edges that I've decided that I needed to tie on my edges just to protect my new little lock that's right here, laying down. Gonna try to make sure that stays there and it grows out healthy. Yes, thank you subscribers for all that you do. And if you're watching this video and you have not subscribed to this channel yet, go ahead, click that subscribe button and the notification bell and take advantage of my invitation that's always open 24/7. 24/7. And if you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep watching. Keep watching. And I'm going to do my 360. Have a great day. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. But I especially love God because He's been so good to me. He woke me up this morning, started me on my way, and I am ready to embrace this beautiful day. Have a great day.